Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Boulders. But Boulders has a huge range of lighting to choose from. We came to our local Boulders to take a look at their latest offering. Let's take a look.
If you're looking to add a sense of magic and mystery to your outdoor spaces, Boulders has the right lights to give you the mood you want, while also improving your home security. Boulders stocks everything from the basics like wall globe lights and alcove and nook lighting for exterior walls to motion sensor lights for the more exposed areas around your house, and everything else you could need to keep your home well lit inside and out. Or if you're looking for something off the grid, Boulders also has a large selection of outdoor solar powered lights on offer. And if you've got a large area you need to light up at night, Boulders has a wide range of powerful floodlights in various sizes and intensity to choose from. Whether it's security lighting you're looking for or lights for outdoor living, Boulders not only stock their own house brands but all leading manufacturers too. Whatever your security or outdoor leisure lighting needs are, speak to Boulders. They've got you covered.
Well, as you can see, Boulders has a wide variety of services and products available to you. But why not also use their online store and get safe and convenient delivery right to your doorstep? You can use their website, which is www.boulders.co.za, or otherwise pop into your local Boulders. Get to Boulders, get it done.